Hello and welcome back to Loaves and Dishes. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make homemade butter. This recipe is incredibly easy. All we're going to do is take some heavy cream and whip it until it turns into butter, and then you'll have homemade butter and buttermilk. So you get two things out of one. And then I'll show you how to make salted butter versus unsalted butter. So before we get into the video, hi, my name's Sarah. I've been doing recipe creation for 10 years now, and I'm very excited to bring you this recipe. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you like these videos, you can click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we upload. So let's get started. Take this heavy cream. You want to make sure that you're using heavy. Okay, this is like a whipped cream stage. We're gonna continue whipping past this stage. So don't stop once you get here. You gotta go past this. Now that we've gotten to this point, this is butter, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the butter solids part. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to separate it from the liquid. The liquid is actually buttermilk, and you can save that and keep it for like making biscuits or bread, that kind of thing. And then we're going to take this butter part out. We're going to rinse it and squeeze it in some cold water, and that's butter. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to take my rings off. Got my bread crushed. Oh man, that's way better than store-bought.